In the mid-1960s, an unidentified flying object drops from the skies in one of the unlikeliest places, a lotus pond in a village in West Bengal, carrying within it an uncanny little being of supreme intelligence, an alien. This was the premise of India's first science fiction film, almost 55 years ago, when maverick filmmaker Satyajit Ray confided in science fiction literary legend Arthur C. Clarke that he wished to make a science fiction film in India. This is his story, a story that starts in Calcutta and travels from Sri Lanka to Paris, from Los Angeles to London. A story that involves one of the top studios in Hollywood, one that involves three of the top international stars of the time. A vivid tale of a complicated web of intrigue and betrayal. Once hailed as India's first science fiction film by the international media, and yet one that never got made. This is the ordeal of an impossible dream.